Today we'll talk about ratios. Ratios are comparisons of two numbers. So let's start very simple. Ratio of a whole number to another whole number. Ratio, let's write this down. Ratio of 2 to 5. Ratio of 2 to 5 would simply be 2 divided by 5, 2 over 5. I can also write ratios with identical units, like ratio of 2 feet to 5 feet. 2 feet over 5 feet. Since I have the same units, this is again a ratio of 2 to 5. If I have two different units, ratio of 2 feet to 2 inches, I need to do the conversion. 2 feet is simply 24 inches. So you have to write 24 inches, which is 2 feet, divided by 2 inches. You have to make sure the units cancel out. So this is the ratio of 24 to 2, which is the same thing in 12 to 1. You can just simplify as you're simplifying a fraction. Ratio of 12 to 1. Let's try another one. Ratio of 2 days to 10 hours. You have to have the same units. 2 days is how many hours? 1 day is 24. 2 days is 48 hours over 10 hours. The hours will simplify. You have 48 to 10. Are you done? No. You have to go and simplify. Let's divide both of them by 2. 10 divided by 2 is 5. 48 divided by 2 is 24. Now I'm done. This is the ratio of 24 to 5. Now you can also do the ratios with not just whole numbers but maybe decimals. Ratio of 2.1 to 3.1. That is simply 2.1 over 3.1. But it has to be a fraction and you have those points. What do? Get rid of them. How do you do that? You have one decimal place. If I multiply the top by 10, I have to multiply the bottom by 10. So you have 21 over 31. Now we're talking about a ratio because you have a whole number over another whole number. Ratio of 21 to 31. What happens when I have different numbers of decimals? Ratio of 21 to 3.11. How do I handle that one? Let's write this down. 2.1 over 3.11. Now what I need to do is multiply the top and bottom by a number so that I have no longer decimals. So the bottom has 2 digits, so I multiply by 100. Multiply by 100. Now you have a ratio 210 to 311. If you need to simplify, you go and simplify it. Another one might be a ratio of a mixed number like 2 1/2 to 3 1/2, and this becomes actually a fraction division problem. So you just change 2 1/2 to 5 halves and 3 1/2 to 7 halves, and you know that you can simplify, so this becomes ratio of 5 to 7. Or you can have a whole number and let's say a mixed number. Ratio of 2 to 3 1/2. How do you do that problem? 2 divided by, that's 7/2, and just do it as if you're doing the division with fractions, times 2/7. So this ratio is simply 4/7, ratio of 4 to 7.